Hello, and thanks for joining us this Tuesday for our daily market coverage presented by CentFX, your reliable partner in trading. Here's today's financial headlines.
Alibaba rose 1.6% to $121.50 on Monday, as China's stimulus plans improved growth prospects, positioning it as a top beneficiary according to analysts. The French stock market index traded at around €7,800 on Tuesday, reversing the previous week's gains and mirroring losses in most European peers. WTI crude oil rose above $65 per barrel on Tuesday, a two-month high, as traders awaited U.S.-China trade updates that could ease tariff concerns. The Australian dollar traded at around 65 cents on Tuesday, remaining buoyed by optimism over progress in high-level trade talks between the U.S. and China. Ether jumped 7% yesterday and today is trading at around $2,670, as growing optimism over a spot Ether exchange traded fund, drawing institutional interest and lifting market confidence. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 a.m., Australia to release the consumer confidence change for June, following 2.2% in May. At 1:30 a.m., the Business Confidence Index in Australia is expected to decrease, after reaching -1 in April. At 6 a.m., the UK will release figures for the unemployment rate of April, following 4.5% in March. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. to release the annual inflation rate for May, following 2.3% in April. At 12:30 p.m., the Consumer Price Index in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 321 in April. At 11 p.m., South Korea will release figures for the unemployment rate of May, following 2.7% in April.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by CentFX. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.